Hi students, in this exercise we will learn how to create set of design checks in Civil 3D. As you know that we have some check sets in Civil 3D already, which we can use for the alignments and profiles, for design profiles actually. But if you have any new criteria from any design company or for any new project, then how can you create your own design check set to apply them on your profiles and alignments? In this exercise we will learn these things. So Civil 3D allows you to use design constraints and design check sets during the process of creating alignment and designs profiles. Typically, these constraints checks for things such as curve radius, length of tangents, and so on. Design constraints use information from AutoCAD or other design manuals to set curve requirements. Check sets allow user to create their own criteria to match local requirement such as subdivision or county road design. So in this exercise we will make one quick set of design check set. You just open 0606 alignment check drawing from the description link. If you did not get it, please drop a message for the drawing, for the practice drawing. I will drop it to you. So once you will open the drawing, you will see something like this. So on the setting tab in tool space, expand the alignment and then expand design checks branch. Then right click on the align and select the new to display the new design check dialog box. Just change the name, subdivision, tangent, and click the insert property drop down menu and select length. Okay, then click greater than or equal button here and then enter 30.48 value for the tangent in expression field. When completed, click OK to accept the setting in dialog box. Right click now on the curve category and select new to display the new design check set dialog box. Then change the name to the subdivision radius. Okay, and click the insert property here to drop down menu and select radius. Click now greater than or equal and put 60.96 value for the radius in expression field. Then click OK to accept the setting in dialog. Then on the setting tab of the tool space, here you will see design check sets folder. Just click, right click and select new to display the alignment design check set dialog box. Here on the information tab, just change the name mastering subdivision. Okay, and then switch to the design check set tab. Choose line from the type drop down menu list and select the subdivision tangent line check that you just created. Okay, and then click add button to add the subdivision tangent check to the set. Now choose curve from the drop down menu of the type and then curve check will be subdivision radius, which is fine. Then also click add button again to click complete the set. So now click OK to accept the setting in the dialog box. So now we have one design check set. Once you have created a number of design checks and design check sets, you can apply them as needed during the design and layout stage of your drawing. So you can keep this drawing open for the next part of this exercise, where we will apply this design check set to the alignment in our Civil 3D drawing. So stay tuned with us for the next exercise.